Video K last main I will provide answer of MCQS, so watch video till end. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel Chemistry Nails. Thank you. 1 blank of mitochondria are the sites of ETEA 2013. A. Electron transport chains. B. Photophosphorylation. C. Krebs cycle. D. Glycolysis. 2. Stroma of chloroplasts carries the fixation of ETEA 2013. A. N. B. O. C. CO. D. NH. 3. Glycolysis completes with a net gain of ETEA 2012. A. 2 ATP. B. 3 ATP. C. 4 ATP. D. 32 ATP. 4. The number of ATP formed directly by a single Krebs cycle is ETEA 2012. A. 1 ATP. B. 2 ATP. C. 3 ATP. D. 36 ATP. 5. Carotenoid contains ETEA 2012. A. Carotenes. B. Xanthophylls. C. Chlorophyll. C. D. Both A and B. 6. Stroma of chloroplasts carries the fixation of ETEA 2011. A. Nitrogen. B. Oxygen. C. Carbon monoxide. D. Carbon dioxide. 7. Redox action takes place during the process of ETEA 2012. A. Respiration. B. Photosynthesis. C. Growth. D. Both A and B. 8. Chlorophyll A and B chiefly absorb ETEA 2012. A. Violet and blue light. B. Orange light. C. Blue right pointing arrow red light. D. Red, orange light. 9. In chlorophyll, A. The group attached to porphyrin ring is ETEA 2011. A. Hydroxyl group. B. Methyl group. C. Carboxyl group. D. Aldehyde group. 10. Chlorophyll is protected from intense light by ETEA 2012. A. Plant hormones. B. Carotenoids. C. Plant enzymes. D. Water present in mesophyll tissue. 11. During cellular respiration NADH produces ETEA 2010. A. 2 ATP. B. 3 ATP. C. 4 ATP. D. 5 ATP. 12. The center of porphyrin in the head region of hemoglobin is occupied by ETEA 2010. A. Iron. B. Magnesium. C. Sodium. D. Potassium. 13. Which of the following is present in the center of porphyrin ring of chlorophyll? ETEA 2010. A. Iron. B. Sodium. C. Potassium. D. Magnesium. 14. Each molecule of NADH entering the electron transport chain produces ETEA 2009. A. 4 ATPs. B. 2 ATPs. C. 1 ATP. D. 3 ATPs. 15. Which of the following bond is broken first in glycolysis to release the energy? ETEA 2008-2005. A. It is released as gas. B. It is reduced to water. C. CO. D. It is used as an electron carrier. 16. Calvin cycle takes place within ETEA 2008. A. Stroma of chloroplasts. B. Grana of the chloroplast. C. Cytoplasm of the cell. D. Mitochondria. 17. The step in glycolysis in which energy transfer is not involved is ETEA 2006. A. Glucose phosphate right pointing arrow fructose diphosphate. B. Fructose diphosphate right pointing arrow DAP. C. PGAL right pointing arrow PGAP. D. PGAP right pointing arrow PGA. 18. In electron transport chain, ATP synthesis takes place when electron moves from MDCAT 2020. A. Primary electron acceptor P to plastiquinone. B. Plastiquinone PQ to cytochromes. C. Cytochromes to plastocyanin. D. Plastocyanin PC to photosystem IPSI. Checkmark answers. 1. A. 2. C. 3. A. 4. A. 5. D. 6. D. 7. D. 8. A. 9. B. 10. B. 11. B. 12. A. 13. D. 14. D. 15. D. 16. A. 17. C. 18. D.